What's up, everybody? Y'all know who it is, Trash Trucker, y'all. We are back in Mean Green. We are headed down to Miami, baby. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, everybody. We are rolling. We are pulling out now. We've got everything set up. My truck is dropped off. Everything is good to go. I've got my extra key to the truck with me. I dropped the key off to the mechanic so they can get all the work done. It is time to roll on highway, roll on along. Let's roll my butt till I get back to Miami's home. So, I know y'all don't want to hear me sing. I can't sing. I never claimed I could sing, but I tell you, I can't sing. Y'all. We are going to get out of this terminal. We are going to get back down to Miami. Get back in that warmth and sunshine where it was 27 here last night. Tomorrow in Miami, it's going to be 70 is the low after that. The low's in like the mid 70s, where it was 27 here last night. Yeah, big difference in temperature, y'all. Let's get on to some warmth, y'all. Y'all stay tuned.
Stressing, counting all my blessings. God, come get me out of this town. 'Cause every day I wake up wishing I could break up with the city light and construction sound. I couldn't wait to move, I had so much to prove. It was all I could do to get away. But now that I'm here, I'm filled with fear. In the mirror when I look at my face, all I see is an empty heart and broken dreams. Oh, you got me cussing, yeah, I'm probably running, trying to get away from myself. Do I need a vacation, maybe medication? Do you think I need professional help? I couldn't wait to move, I had so much to prove. It's all I could do to get away. But now that I'm here, I'm filled with fear. In the mirror when I look at my face, all I see is an empty heart and broken dreams. You can bluff it, you'll figure it out. Got a bug, give me love, so I don't mess myself up with the drugs and the lover who isn't enough for me. Is it ever enough for me? I couldn't wait to move, I had so much to prove.
Well, good morning, everybody. We are back. We are here. Down here at Fort Lauderdale right now. We are like a block away from Port Everglades. I couldn't get in. I got down here about 5:15 a.m. So the port badge office doesn't open until 8 this morning. So I figured, hey, there's a little street over here with a little pull-off side. So let's come over here. Let's park here. Give me a little nappy nap. Wait for the badge office to open up. And now let's go on in and get our badge. But once all this traffic clears right here, we're gonna shoot on in. It is time to go get it. We'll get that badge done and then we'll head on over to Miami, get the Miami badge, and then we will be set to go for tomorrow. We'll be set to go for, I believe it's till 2027 down here. So we'll have our badges and we will be good to go, y'all. As y'all can see, it is busy down here. All this traffic coming in. But we're not going to show you getting into the port and all that mess, but you know, hey, we'll show you getting up here to it. But when I got here yesterday, they had all this right here to the right blocked off. So they had the gate closed right here, had the cones up, so that's why I pulled that little side street and took me a nappy nap. Anyway, y'all, we will be back with y'all in just a bit. We got us a badge, a fresh brand new one. Expires March 21st of 2026. 23, so I guess they're a 3-year badge here, so that's okay, but we got one badge down. Now it is time to go get another one. So get one more and then we're good to go. So Port Everglades here in Fort Lauderdale, that was taken care of. We come here between Everglades and Miami. We're in these two ports. So like I say, one down, one more to go, then I will be good to go for tomorrow and next couple of years. So I'm ready for bed, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I got a little power nap. I slept here. So yeah, I'm still tired. I'm still tired, but hey, it is what it is, y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna get moving, y'all. We'll catch y'all in a bit.
Can we get some ratchet one time?
Look, I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and really you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the stop. I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing, I be spreading it with ease. You gon' see the peace. You gon' see the flex when you hear these writtens. Trust me, you know the difference. I got a long ways to climb before you see a slippage. I see the process and the journey I'm supposed to be, but perplexed, cause I don't really see nobody close to me. Hopefully this ain't wasted and I know it ain't. You gotta take the time for seasoning to marinate. You need the patience under pressure just to detonate. I'm trying to blow up and these heathens need to get it straight. Gifted with a vision and precision, I'm just trying to make it high key. Might be breaking free like I was Zion in some Nikes. Tucked at the crib, bro, you know just where to find me. Making beats and spitting crack verses pretty likely. Yeah, socks with the burst, boy, I ain't changed a bit. Normal guy till I die, you know what it is. You probably thought I'd give up now.
Alright, y'all, we made it here. We're here at the Miami Port. This is all public access road. There's nothing about filming that prohibits filming because this is a public access road. By Constitution, anything that you can see from a public road is constitutionally legal to film. I'm not through any checkpoints or anything like that. I'm actually on a public road. There is Royal Caribbean's headquarters right there here in Miami. And there is the badge office, that building that you can see just barely over the tip there under the trees. That's where we go to renew our badges, right there under the bridge. So there's one of the gates that we go in the park. Right behind it, you see in the mirror, that is actually downtown Miami. So yeah, we're gonna come in here. We're gonna get my badge renewed, and then I'm gonna call it a day. It is well deserved to call it a day. I'll have that done, then I'm fresh for work, y'all, like I said. Anyway, we hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Y'all be sure to like, follow, subscribe, share, comment, you know, all the YouTube things that everybody says do. We're trying to grow the channel, y'all. Anyway, we'll catch y'all next video, y'all. Peace out.
So deep in the night, headlights flash against the wall. I show you where it's dark. You swear you'll be brave. You're straight from
presents tonight.